We're here at the abandoned Big Kmart in Washington Courthouse. But the other half isn't abandoned. Family Farm and Home took over this half where the garden center was. And you can kind of tell up here where the paint is. They kind of stopped painting about where the store ends. But the original entrance to Kmart is still right here. So let's take a closer look. Alright, take a peek inside here. Can't see much with the glare, but you can see two abandoned payphone booths. No payphones in them. There's just a door open over here, we'll check it out. Do a hashtag. Save the Kmarts. Now you probably can't see it, but it's there. You can check out this view. Let's take a walk around back, Kylie. How you doing, man?
Pretty good. It used to be Kmart.
Yeah, trying to do a video on it before they probably turn it into something else or demolish it. Got a large turnaround area back here for the semis, bringing in the merchandise. Tell you what, there's some good people here in Washington Courthouse. We just ate dinner at the Giovanni's Pizza Buffet. And as we were getting ready to leave with the 6 kids and Ashley, they came over and told us, "Oh, you've been taken care of." Somebody in the restaurant decided to pay for 2 adults and 6 kids for a pizza buffet. And that's pretty nice and awesome for somebody to do that. And we're definitely going to have to pay that forward. I was not expecting that. There's some good people out here in Washington Courthouse. I don't care what anybody else says. Yeah, it might have a drug problem or whatever, but what town doesn't? Ooh, looks like somebody tried to get in right there. I'd pry the door open. Nice beehive up there. Starting to get dark, so we're going to try to hurry up and get this done. And of course, around back, we're probably going to run into the farm and home store here. Kind of an interesting setup back here. It almost reminds me of our abandoned Kmart in London, Ohio. Of course, ours is set up on the left side versus the right side. And a shout out to Slack and Packing and Manny Quacchio for being first on the scene here at this Kmart. Check out their video. They got it, the whole abandoned Kmart before the farm and home store took over half of it. So I'm basically just doing an update on theirs. This must be where we're getting into the farm and home section here. Might have to go into farm and home, take a peek, see what we could see of how they partitioned it off. And here we go to the last side here. This is where the prison yard is that farm and home took over. Left the prison yard intact. Basically the only thing they did was paint it and put up a sign. Well, painted half of it and put up a sign. I think this place is kind of like a Tractor Supply or Euro King. That's what it seems like. Find out more if I go inside. And here we are around the front where the garden shop was. Let's take a peek in there. Of course, I don't know why I'm looking in the windows. I can probably just go in the door. Nope, they got it locked. There you go, Kylie, a chicken coop.
This post is or
Let's go take a look inside. Just as I expected, it's just like Tractor Supply. Oh, Kylie, there's your chicken shirts. Kylie, chicken shirts.
Oh, it's our chickens
Yep, they
here.
put a wall up right here to block off from the other half of the Kmart.
Oh my God, there are chickens here.
But yeah, this is pretty much a Tractor Supply. Just with a different name.
Oh, Dad, Dad. Am I allowed to lay over here?
Probably not.
Hey, Daddy, I want to sit in this. Dad, sit in
Go
this.
check out over here real fast. Alright, now back in the garden shop. And look what they still have up. Thank you for shopping, and then of course they wrote down the Kmart sign. Yep, there it is. You can still get into this Kmart, about half of it in the garden shop. It's kind of blocked off the outdoors for storage of their bigger items. But that's the Washington Courthouse. Abandoned Big Kmart. Well, half abandoned, the other half ran by a farm and home. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.